Hello everyone. In this session, we will be going to discuss about the class 12 chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. Previous year questions one by one we will be solving. First total 2026, next we will be going for 2025 and next we will be going for 2024. These previous 3 year questions for every chapter will be going from today onwards. Right. Now the chapter is your inverse trigonometric function. And the question is the domain of tan inverse of x is. We need to find the domain of tan inverse of x. Earlier in the concept I already told you the domain of tan inverse of x is your real numbers. Real numbers can be written as minus infinity to infinity. So option D is the correct answer. If it was range, then option A. If it was range, then option A. Now they are asking about the domain. The domain is real numbers. Real number means minus infinity to comma infinity. Now the second question is write tan inverse of x under root of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus cos x in the simplest form. Now we need to convert the question in the form of a simplest form. Let us solve it. Let us write given data first. Given data is tan inverse of x under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Now outside is tan inverse of x. Now I need to try to make the insert part as tan theta, right? Then only it will be cancellation will be possible. Now I know that cos 2 theta ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಈಗ cos 2 theta ಏನು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now cos 2 theta minus 1 equals to minus 2 sin square theta, right? Now again 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta, but I need only 1 minus cos x, that is 1 minus cos theta I need, cos x I need. 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. Now whenever I will get 1 minus cos theta, I will be going with the 2 sin square theta by 2. Now substitute. In the case of 1 plus cos theta, again we are having cos 2 theta equals to, in terms of cos we are having 2 cos square theta minus 1, conversion to 2 cos square theta, then but I need only cos x plus 1, I don't need a 2 theta, then I will be writing it as cos theta minus 1 equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Just we are doing, in case of 2 theta I need theta, so I am dividing by theta by 2. Here also theta by 2 means theta 2 will get cancelled, so here it will left with theta by 2. Now let us substitute tan inverse of x. What is 1 minus cos x? That is your 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 cos square theta by 2, right? Next 2 to get cancels, left with tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta, that is your tan theta, tan square theta by 2. Now square and root will get cancels, left with tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Again tan and tan inverse get cancelled, left with theta by 2. This is the final answer, right? But here we are using x, then it will be x x x. Question ದಲ್ಲಿ x ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, theta ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ theta ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಮಾಡಿ. This is the final answer, x by 2. Thank you. Now the next question is 3 cos inverse of x equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. You need to show LHS equals to RHS. To show that LHS equals to RHS, this question has already asked in 2014 as well as 2026. Earlier 2 questions were 1 marks and 2 marks, and this is 3 marks, total 6 marks from chapter 2 for 2026 exam. Next, write down given data 3 cos inverse of x equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Remember, whenever x belongs to 1 by 2 or 1, x belongs to 1 by 2 or 1, otherwise x belongs to 1 by root 2 comma 1. Here I will be going with the substitution of x equals to cos theta. Whenever x belongs to 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2, otherwise x belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, then I will be going with the substitution of a sin theta, right? ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ cos theta ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ sin theta ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಈಗ cos theta ಇದೆ, so I need to make right hand side also in terms of cos only. So put x equals to cos theta, put x is equals to what? cos theta. If x is cos theta, then reverse it. Cos inverse of x will be what? Theta. Cos inverse of x will be theta. Let us substitute by RHS. Cos inverse of, in case of x, we will be substituting cos theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta? That is your cos 3 theta. Right? Cos 3 theta. Cos and cos are getting answers left with 3 theta. We know that theta value, what is theta? 3 cos inverse of x. Right? Now I need LHS equals to what? RHS. This is the simplest way. Thank you. ಇವಾಗ ಇಯರ್ 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 MCQ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉಳಿಕಿರೋದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 1 by 1. The principal value of sin inverse of 1 by root 2. Now we need to find the principal value of sin inverse of 1 by root 2. That is sin inverse of sin ಯಾವಾಗ 1 by root 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Sin pi by 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 by root 2. So answer will be what? Pi by 4. Right? Now match the list with 1 with 2. Domain of sin inverse of x. What is domain of sin inverse of x? That is a range of tan inverse of x. Range of tan inverse of x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that is open interval. Range of cos inverse of x is 0 comma pi, that is closed interval. Now next question, value of cos of secant inverse of 2 minus sin inverse of root 3 by 2. Let us solve the bracket first. Cos of secant inverse of, when is secant 2? Secant 2 ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ? 0 1 by 2, that is 60 degree, right? Secant pi by 3. Next, sin inverse of sin ಯಾವಾಗ root 3 by 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ? 0 1 by 2 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, 60 degree again. Sin of pi by 3, close the bracket. Now cos of secant get cancels, left with pi by 3 minus pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3 minus pi by 3? That is 0. What is cos 0 value? Cos 0 is 1. ಇವಾಗ prove that ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Prove that tan inverse of 63 by 16 equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 5 by 3 by 5. ಇವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾನು tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ? ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ? tan inverse of 63 by 16 equals to sin inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5. Right? Cos inverse of 3 by 5. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ tan ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ tan ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು put sin inverse of 5 by 13 equals to a, then 5 by 13 equals to sin a. If sin a is 5 by 13, let us find the value of tan a. Angle is a, then 5 13. What is sin ratio? P by h. P, this is your h. I need a value of b. Whenever it is 5 3, this will be your 12. Remember, whenever 5 13, then this value will be your 12. Then I can write, then tan a will be 5 by 12. Now I converted from sin inverse of 5 by 13 to tan a 5 by 13, but I need inverse, then a equals to tan inverse of 5 by 12. Right? One more. Put cos inverse of 3 by 5 equals to b, then 3 by 5 equals to cos b. If cos b is 3 by 5, then b, cos ratio is b by h. Whenever it is 3 and 5, one more side will be 4. Then I got, then tan b will be 4 by 3, which implies b equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Let us substitute by RHS. By RHS I am taking Sine inverse of 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5 can be written as tan inverse of 5 by 12 plus tan inverse of 4 by 3. Now it is in the form tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is your tan inverse of x plus y? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಈಗ tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y ಅಂದರೆ tan inverse of x is 5 by 13 and y is 4 by 3. Sorry, 5 by 12 and 4 by 3 divided by x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. 5 by 12 into 4 by 3. Right. Now let us take the LCM. Tan inverse of LCM is 12 3 to 36. I am going to multiply 15 plus 12 4s are 48 divided by 36 whole divided by, again LCM will be here, 36 5 4s are 20 divided by 36. 36 get cancels, left with tan inverse of 48 plus 10 is 58, 58 plus 5 is 58, 63, right? 63 divided by 36 minus 20 is 60. Now tan inverse of 63 by 16 I got, that is your LHS. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. Just ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೈನ್ 5 by 13 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 5 by 13 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 5 by 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 3 by 5 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 4 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Formula is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Same formula, LCM, then you will get the simplification. LHS equals to RHS. Thank you. Next 2024 questions are discussed ಮಾಡೋಣ. The principal value of branch of sin inverse of x. Principal value branch ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Range. Range of sin inverse of x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That should be a closed interval, right? So option A. Show that, wait, the value of sine of cosecant inverse of 2 for 1 marks they are given you. Let us solve. Given data, sine of cosecant inverse of 2, sine of cosecant inverse of, when is cosecant 2 ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? cosecant 2 will be cosecant, right, 30 degree means pi by 6. Cosecant inverse get cancels, left with sin pi by 6. What is sin pi by 6? Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Right? Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Let us solve next question. Show that sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 sin inverse of x. We need to prove LHS equals to RHS. Earlier in the 2026 question I have already informed you. Whenever these types of intervals arise, then I will be substituting sin theta. Otherwise, now right hand side is sin theta and left hand side also I need to convert in terms of sin theta only. The given data, let us write sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 sin inverse of x. Let us solve by left hand side. ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin theta ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ sin theta ಇದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು sin theta ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ x equals to sin theta, then theta equals to sin inverse of x. Correct? Theta is sin inverse of x. Let us substitute. Sin inverse of 2 sin theta 1 minus sin square theta, right? Sin inverse of 2 sin theta, what is 1 minus sin square theta? It will be cos square theta, the root cos square theta, which implies sin inverse of 2 sin theta. What is under root cos square theta? Root and square will get cancelled, left with the cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Sin get cancelled, left with 2 theta. What is theta value? Theta is sin inverse of x. 2 sine inverse of x, right? LHS equals to what? RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. One more question is there. Coming to the 3 marks question 2024. Write the following function in the simplest form. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ is question ಗೆ simplest form ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈಗ tan theta ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan inverse of tan get cancels. So let us write tan inverse of x divided by under root of a square minus x square. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ tan ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಈಗ cos theta. So let us put x equal to what? Sin theta. If x is sin theta, theta will be sin inverse of x, right? Theta will be sin inverse of x. Let us write tan inverse of sin theta divided by under root of, right? Now here it is a square. Let me write first a square minus what is x value? Sin theta. If I take only x value as sin theta, it is not possible. Let us take x value as a sin theta, then theta will be sin inverse of x by a. Theta will be sin inverse of x by a. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus a square minus sin square theta ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ a ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ a x value sin a sin theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ a square ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I will take an x value as a sin theta, right? Let us write again tan inverse of a sin theta divided by, let us take a square common here. If I am taking a square common, it will come out of the root, it will be a under root of 1 minus sin square theta, right? Next, tan inverse of a get cancels, sin theta divided by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, under root cos square theta. So root and square get cancels, left with sin theta by cos theta. What is sin by cos? That is tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta. Tan and tan inverse get cancelled, left with theta. But what is your theta? Theta is sin inverse of x by. This is the final answer for 3 marks question. Thank you. We are covered about the 2026, 2024 as well as 2025. All the 6 marks questions, that is 1 marks question, 2 marks and 3 marks questions. These things will be asking from the inverse trigonometric functions. So better practice all the important questions, previous year questions, and go for the chapter wise questions. Thank you.